Okay, I've had lunch. In fact, I did some work also at home where I'm staying. And it's about 7 o'clock. And I just came to what I think is pretty much the southern end of Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. And as you can see, it's full of trees. There's a lot of evergreens, variety of hardwoods, lots of ferns inside. This is actually called Old Indian Trail. There's like 3 trails you can go on here, the longest being maybe 1.7 miles. Great overview of Lake Michigan. The cool thing that I found here, couple things. One, it is very woodsy. And as soon as I stepped into the woods, I saw 2 deer, and I went about maybe 50 feet further, and there was a mother deer and a fawn. It was really cool. The scary thing for me, a little bit scary, is that it's a little bit, well, it's early evening, and I had forgot this video flip cam in my car, and as I'm going down the path, I had read on the sign that it is cougar area and bear area, so I was a little bit nervous. But all I saw were deer, and I did not stay long since I was a little bit scared. One other thing I'd like to just share is, well, 2 things. I'll try to remember the second thing as I say the first one. The first one, there's a lot of culture I've learned, a lot of historical, cultural, human being cultural stuff in the last 2 days that I've been here. And, you know, immigrants coming, Europeans coming, for a better life, worked hard, and D.H. Day coming. But actually our first inhabitants were Native Americans, and I haven't seen too much or heard too much about the Native American impact here. But I was driving, and actually I was trying to go a little bit further than the Platte River and Platte Campground. And I came across this one, and it's the first trail that I could find on the southern tip of Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore, and it's called Old Indian Trail. So I had to try it. What I did read about it is that the Native Americans made many paths through the forest to the shore for fishing. And it was pretty cool to be walking along this path, imagining what it was like for Native Americans, and incredibly grateful for the historicalness of this. It was just a wonderful trail to hike, so anyone can do this trail. Like I said, there's a couple different paths you can take, one that's more hilly and windy than another, all of them providing breathtaking views and a wonderful, wonderful walk in the woods. One of my favorite trees is the one here, the birch tree. I love those trees. Anyway, it is thundering yet some more. It's about 7:45, and I probably need to get back home safe. So we're gonna take a boat trip tomorrow from Leland, and we're gonna be studying the topography of Lake Michigan. So I will catch you then. Thanks for joining me so far today.